What's up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how you can generate passive income from trading using ChatGPT together with the Autobot trading signal. I am going to show you the whole process from deposit your money into your favorite broker account and at the same time making a withdrawal. So without further ado, let's dive in. First off, we are going to start with ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT to create a strategy based on some specific condition, like it's going to follow the trend when the trend is going up or when the trend is going down. I asked them to follow that trend by counting the candle. You know, how many green candle, how many red candle, and then based on the candle that pull back, and then we check on that pullback, and then we are going to trade on that specific trend after the pullback. So this way it's pretty easy to allow ChatGPT to understand the strategy, and then they print out the code for you, so you can just copy that code and paste it into the trading view. So once you paste it into a trading view, then you just apply it to the chart. So once you click on apply that script to the chart, and if the code have some issues, then it will print out the error in trading view. So once you find out that okay, the code is not working, there's still some error on the trading view, and then you just copy that error code and then paste it back into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will just, oh, sorry for that, and then they're going to recreate a new version of that specific code to make it work. So you just keep on repeating doing this step, and until your code is running properly, then yes, you have your script ready to trade. So once you have the strategy, so this is the one that I created with the ChatGPT, is the count candle bars with the pullback. So now let's back to our Autobot. So install the Autobot in your computer. So in this case, I installed it into my cloud server computer's shell, and then I will just turn on the bot, input the code, the signal key, follow GPT. So I just use that key, and then back to trading view, create an alert, buy or sell alert. Once I create the alert, and then I will just copy and paste all the code inside and just change the key to be follow GPTs, and then you can create a buy alert and sell alert from trading view. So once the condition are met, it will ring an alert, and then it will send that signal to the Autobot trading signal, and then it will execute the trade for you, onto your broker account. So in this case, I use Quotex. So now we got the Autobot is setting up and everything setting up, and then let's go to our Quotex account. I made $500 deposit into my Quotex account using Binance, as a crypto transfer, between my broker account Quotex with the crypto wallet. I use Binance, and I just transfer $500, where the USDT BEP20. It's a Binance network. So when I complete all the deposits into my trading account, now let's run the bot, with my strategies that I asked ChatGPT to make for me. So after running for like couple hours, we will update the result, how much, we make, from running this Autobot. So I can see that we got some result here after a couple hours of running. We see only like $18 onto our profit today, but this $18 is completely passive, because we don't do anything. We just running the Autobot, applying the strategies to our trading view, and with that alert, with the buy and sell alert, and then the bot would just execute the trade for us on our behalf to Quotex, and then we make this profit. So after we got this profit, and then we can go to withdraw. Let's click on the withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, they will ask you for the wallet. Okay, so go back to your Binance account and check your spot wallet, and paste that address into the wallet address. The process is complete. I will show you, the approval of the money that come in to my wallet. So, and then you got everything correct. Just click on withdraw. So once you confirm the withdraw, so the money should be, cut from your trading account. So once the money is cut from your account, so you just wait for the money to arrive into your crypto wallet. So in this case, it took around 1 hour to 2 hours. Let me show you, the money that already arrived here in my Binance account. So here I can go into my email. They confirm the withdrawal. So when you got confirmation email from them that the money already arrived into your Binance account. So go back to your Binance account and check, if the money is arrived, the same amount that you made withdraw. And now the money are here in our Binance account, so we can see that this is the exact amount from our withdrawal from Cortex account. So the reason I like to trade with this broker, because this broker is really fast on withdrawal. So it doesn't matter how much you make, from trading. It's really fast. It's less than 3 days. It's less than 1 day in general. Like in this case, it just couple hours, and then the money's arrived back to my wallet. So, once you got your money into your wallet, then you can exchange it for, for cash, based on your country currency. So that's it for today's video. So as you can see, everything from start to finish, making a deposit, using ChatGPT to create a trading strategies, and then apply that strategy to automate the trade using the Autobot trading signal. So if you have any question about the step, about the instructions, you can leave the comment down below these videos. I'll be happy to respond back. And if you find out that this video is helpful in any way, so don't forget to leave the like for the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. For now, bye bye, take care.